Hi, I'm Daniela Seif and I've created a video presentation to describe how revising inner stories can contribute to healing emotional trauma, and this is a brief introduction to that presentation. We all carry wordless stories about who we are and how we came to be this way, and we carry similar stories about other people and the world around us. Sometimes we're conscious of these stories, but often we're not. And these stories live not only in our minds and in our beliefs, but also in our bodies and our emotions. Trauma changes the content and tone of these inner stories in ways that cause a host of problems. So one of the things we need to do if we're going to heal from trauma is to become aware of the problematic stories that we carry and revise them. That means digging down into our subconscious mind and body to uncover these stories. It also means discovering and forging new kinds of stories, each of which helps us to heal by expanding our understanding of ourselves. In this model, I propose that there are 7 different kinds of stories that can contribute to healing trauma. These are firstly stories of wounding. They speak of what happened to us. Next are stories of impact, and they create an awareness about how those wounds impacted us. That's followed by stories of blame, which focus on who and what caused the wound. Next comes stories of responsibility, which emphasize our own role in the healing process. Stories of self-traumatization follow. These make us aware of how the protection that we put in place following trauma causes us to behave in ways that are problematic for ourselves and sometimes also problematic for other people. The penultimate kind of stories are stories of self-compassion, and the final stories in this model are stories of compassion. And during the video presentation, I talk about each of these stories and describe the healing journey through them. So if that sounds interesting to you, then I invite you to join me.